everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make a classic shepherd's pie with a slight twist because we'll be adding cheese. To get started, prep the vegetables. Chop 1 medium onion and 2 stalks of celery. Peel and dice 2 medium carrots. Chop 2 to 3 button mushrooms. And mince 2 garlic cloves, or more if you like. And grate 2 cups of cheddar cheese. For the mashed potato layer, peel and cut 2 pounds of potato into smaller pieces so they're equally the same size, and add to a pot. Add water to cover and boil while we work on the rest of the recipe. Add 1 pound of ground beef to a large skillet over medium heat. Cook until all the meat has browned, breaking it up as you go. Then add the carrot, celery, and onion and cook until the vegetables have softened. Add 2 tablespoons of flour and stir until combined with the beef and vegetables. This will thicken the sauce. To that, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and give it a quick stir. Then add a 1/4 cup of red wine, 2 teaspoons of dried thyme, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 1/4 cups of beef stock. Stir everything together and bring it to a boil, then turn down the heat to simmer for 15 minutes. Once it has thickened, you can taste it for salt and pepper. After 15 minutes, add the mushrooms we cut earlier, 1/2 cup of corn, and 1/2 cup of peas. Give it a stir and cook for another couple of minutes to let the corn and peas heat through. And now the potatoes are fully cooked. Strain them and add it to a large bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of butter and mash with a potato masher. Then add a 1/4 cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of cream, and 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Continue to mash until you get a smooth mixture. It may look too runny, but it will set up nicely. Trust the process. Give it a taste for salt and pepper. Now it's time to assemble. Add the beef mixture to a 9x13 baking dish and spread evenly. Sprinkle the cheese evenly on top. Then add the mashed potato on top of the cheese layer. Add spoonfuls all over so it's easier to spread. Smooth the top but not perfectly. I like making dents so it shows once it's browned. Add it to a 425-degree Fahrenheit oven and cook for 15 minutes. You want everything heated through and the mashed potato to brown. After 15 minutes, mine wasn't brown much, so I put the oven on broil for another 5 minutes. Garnish with fresh parsley if you have it. And that's it! Let it cool for a good 20 minutes if you want a better presentation than mine. You want it cooled slightly so it can set up, otherwise it looks a little soupy, but I promise it's perfect. I make this recipe all the time, it's one of my favorite meals. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching. Bye!